Hello, everyone. This is the recording for IS127Unit3. I apologize for having this little screen here in the way, but I've been sick and I've been coughing a lot, so I don't want to cough in your ear, so I may be pausing it. So let's see if we can get through this. The work for Unit 3 is you have the reading of Chapter 5 and 6, the discussion, and the Unit 3 assignment. So the topic for the discussion is on frames, and make sure that you answer all of the topic. The initial post is due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. At least one APA formatted reference with in-text citation. 3 replies are due Sunday, and at least one of those replies must have an open-ended question to move the topic along. The Unit 3 assignment is the Apply Your Knowledge Creating Media Queries. It's due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You're going to open the Apply 06 in your browser and view the web page. Then you're going to add a comment with your name and the date. And then you're going to open the style sheet and modify the comment there also. Then in the style sheet, you're going to add a media query to target a tablet viewpoint using a minimum width of 481px and include the following comments: styles for tablet layout. Now this is a media query right here. But when it asks for the image, it's part of the media query. I don't know if you can see that. Let's move that out of the way. There's the media query, then you have an open bracket, the image, close the bracket, and then you would close another bracket. That's what makes the media query image work with that. I'm going to have to keep moving it, I guess. Maybe I'll put it up here. So in the style sheet, you're going to add a media query to target the desktop. So basically, it's the same thing. The only difference, you see, is the image. Let's go back. So you're going to put the width, is the width and the pixels and the width. So that's what's going to make it different. So here we're going to go 769, and we're going to go with an image of 30%. Then you're going to save your changes and open the HTML file in Google. You're going to use the developer tools to view each viewpoint's dimensions and determine a better viewpoint. So let's see. I'll end the show. And then I'll go. I kind of wanted to show you. So I'm in Chrome. If I go to more tools, you get the developer tools. I don't know why. Okay, so then it opens. This is what it's talking about. So, for instance, this is a mobile, and then there's different ones. I think there's an iPhone here somewhere too. And here's a tablet. And then, of course, the default, a laptop or the desktop. And what you're going to do is you're going to size it around. And you'll see that this is what's changing over here. So if you went back to 796 or something like that. So that's hard to get exactly, but let's say it's sort of like that. Then you're using the apply 06. So when you get it where you think, okay, that looks pretty good, then you're going to write down that number, say 908 instead of the 796. And that's what it means by using the developer tools. So let's continue this. Get that out of the way. So your value is not going to be the first one that you put in. And there's no really right or wrong answer. That it's depending on what you think. So just kind of see what you think looks the best, and that will be fine. Come on. Now you're going to validate your HTML document and fix any errors and validate your CSS files. You make sure you turn in all of the files. Last time I had people who only didn't turn in the pictures, and they only turned in the CSS file and the HTML file. But you really should turn in all files that go to the project. This is just simple logic for a program, is to turn in everything that's needed. Plus, it makes grading a little easier. Also, don't change the names of the files. Leave them the same, because when you change the name, sometimes you forget to change the picture or the link, and then they don't work. So make sure you do that. And then send everything in a zip file. And that's all I have for this week. I know it was pretty short. If you have any questions or don't understand, feel free to call me, and I'll be glad to help you. Oops.